Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited followers on Instagram. As you can see, I have only 3 followers. Now go to igfollowershack.pw.
You it all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved. Cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you must.
Enter your username and connect the account. Choose the amount of followers you want and click generate followers. And this game now we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. And I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me. Since many users abuse our tools with bots, we have human verification page, where you have to prove that you are a normal person doing it. By installing and running 2 apps for at least 30 seconds, the 30-second time is very important. If any lower, it won't be able to verify and you'll have to start over. Also, please note, if you see only one app, install and run just one app. Once both apps are installed, run each app for 30 seconds as stated previously.
Did you really think I'm bad at it? Say she wanna leave, but it's way too crowded. But I'll vibe with you, I'm playing games, I ain't trying to lose. And if I take you back, I'ma kiss your neck. I could be your now, I could be your next. I could be the one to relieve your stress. When we talk about sex, she unzip that dress. Bless, maybe one day I could take it. Give it to me, cause I'm tired of waiting. I'm like the latest, #1 play on your playlist. Don't trip if these other girls play it. And I don't like to fight, you the type that I'd like to wife. Guy feeling like life is nice. At the movies eating Mike and Ike's. And if the price is right, then I guess I'm bad.
Once both apps are installed, run each app for 30 seconds as stated previously.
If you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Champagne for breakfast, first things first, never put you second. Girl, don't be stressing, I forgot to mention I'm bad about it, don't be offended. I fucks with you cause you're down to earth. Got an ounce of perp if you're down to burn. You got a plan and you're still in school.
Now restart the Instagram app.
And if you like, you can stay for the night. Don't stay for the love, don't stay for the life. Know my name, then say it to me twice. Let me hear that shit, let me see that shit.
As you can see, my followers are increasing. Sometimes it takes a few hours depending on how busy the server is. Thanks for watching, guys.
Do what you wanna do. If you would come with me, then I would take you anywhere you want to go. Yeah. Even if you're looking for the one, and I couldn't be him.